If you have a leaky outside faucet or one of the laundry tub faucets is leaking, let me show you how to easily fix it. These are really easy to fix. Once you've done one of them, you'll be able to fix any of them that come along. So there's only two tools that you'll need, an adjustable wrench and a screwdriver. So the first thing you want to do is turn off the main water supply to your house. Turn on the faucet to relieve the pressure that's in the water line. Now remove the screw from the handle. Wiggle or tap it with a screwdriver until the handle comes off. Now take your adjustable wrench and undo the big nut. And once it's loose, you can undo it by hand. And this is the rubber washer that you'll be replacing right here. Over the years, these become hard, they get squashed, and they can crack, causing leaks. Now remove the machine screw in the center. Now take a trip to your local hardware store. Don't buy the specific size that you need, get the one that has all kinds of sizes in a kit. Don't worry, you'll use them on other leaking faucets and they'll last for years. Plus, they're super cheap. And as always, I'll have a link in the description where you can find them easily, plus any tools that I use. And if you slip over into the plumbing section, you'll notice that all of these valves have got a rubber washer in them and they're all replaceable. And they all come apart very easily to replace them. Now pick the right size out of the kit that you bought and replace it. These don't need tightened a lot, just turn it down until you see the rubber squishing a little bit. And when you go to put it back in, you'll notice this spiral helix. Get it started a bit first. Then thread the nut back on. If you can't quite get the shaft to turn easily, use a little bit of WD-40. Snug it up. Make sure the valve is closed. Turn your water back on. No leak? Yes. There's one other spot where you can have a drip, and it's right where this shaft goes through this smaller nut. Underneath that nut there is what they call packing. So just take your adjustable wrench and snug it down a little bit at a time. This will recompress the packing. Now just turn the tap on to see if the leak has stopped around the shaft. You'll find if you've tightened it a little bit too much, the knob will be hard to turn. If it is, just back it off a little bit until you find that happy medium where it doesn't leak and it's easy to turn. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.